Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Pensioners to get bonus of 5,000, 50% seats in NIT for Goans. Government improvises educational loan scheme. Succor IT Park case handed over to ACB. Minibus plunges into stream at Kutti Ponda after hitting culvert. 20 passengers escaped with injuries, some admitted in GMC. Truck drivers caught stealing ore from mining company. Kule police register case against 6 persons and 7 truck drivers for criminal breach of trust. Robberies and dacoities on rise in Salset. 3 cases in 48 hours with similar modus operandi. Robbers struck Margaon, Fatorda and Naveli. And Shah Rukh Khan keeps Dempo Sports Club waiting. Srinivas Dempo feels deal will be done by mid-July. Now the news in detail. Pensioners in the state will get a 5,000 rupees bonus. 50% seats will be reserved exclusively for Goans in the proposed NIT. Government has also improvised educational loan scheme. The state government has rolled back tax on the fabric. The alleged illegality in Succor IT Park has been handed over to the Anti-Corruption Bureau. Chief Minister briefed media on Wednesday after the cabinet meeting.
सगळ्या पेन्शनर आहा तांकां 5,000 रुपया बोनस मेळटलो. And one who has completed at least 1 year on 1912 and one who is still in service. In case of IAS officers, those who were in service on 1912 and are still continuing in service only will get IAS, IPS with a admit. Hence, out of 90 seats being offered in NIT Goa, 50% seats are now exclusively reserved for the state of Goa. So we have modified scheme extensively. Forms will be available from Monday, 2nd July. Every month, until the forms availability is there, every month there will be sanctions. And within 30 days of sanction, the money will be disbursed by electronic clearance system. फॅब्रिकाचेर 5% टॅक्स लायिल्लो तो 1 जूनाच्यान काडला आमी ताका आयज कन्फर्मेशन दिलें कॅबिनेटान. पण 2 महिने जे लागलो पळय तो भरचो पडटलो एप्रिल. I am talking about Succor. It is stalled project. It is stalled project because people went in court as they wanted to destroy some part of the forest. So it was stalled by the court and no action was taken. But money was continued to be spent on matters which had nothing to do with the IT.
So you have referred this Succor thing to the
anti-corruption. Daboli Airport has been given a police station full scale with additional police force.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari. In a tragic accident on Wednesday, a minibus plunged into a stream, breaking the culvert at Kutti near Ponda. The bus was carrying about 20 passengers. All the passengers escaped with injuries. Some have been admitted in GMC. The bus driver who was trapped in the bus was rescued.
Minibus plunged into a stream by breaking the culvert at Kutti near Ponda in a tragic accident on Wednesday. The bus was carrying about 20 passengers. All the passengers escaped with injuries. Some have been admitted in the GMC. The bus driver who was trapped in the bus was rescued. The bus collapsed in a nala near Amigos Hotel Kutti Ponda while trying to save a two-wheeler coming across the way from Kutti Bori bypass. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Kule police have busted a racket of truck drivers stealing mineral ore from a mining company's site. Police have arrested 6 persons in connection with the theft of mineral ore. Police have registered offence against 7 truck drivers for misappropriation and criminal breach of trust.
Kule police have arrested 6 persons in connection with the theft of mineral ore from Gian Agarwal and Company run by Fomento. They have also succeeded in recovering stolen mineral ore. police have registered offence against 6 truck drivers. Kure police seized a truck and Alto car that was escorting the truck drivers from loading to the unloading point. Police are in search of Rajesh Fardesai, who is currently absconding.
We are able to bust the racket which is involved in stealing the mineral ore from the company and were depositing to the private plot. In this connection, we had earlier on 25th June, we have registered a case of misappropriation and criminal breach of trust against 7 truck drivers. The complaint was given by the G.N. Agarwal and Company, basically which is run by Fomento Mines. In this, initially we have arrested one driver involved who was riding this tipper, and he has disclosed his involvement in this crime, and through him we could able to arrest another 5 people. The arrested people are, the name is Rafiq Badshah Sahab Latif, who is hailing from Maharashtra. Other is Mr. Rajesh Kashinath Kerkar, who is from Usgaon Tisk. And 3 agents we have arrested by name Arvind Sharma, Sanju Naik, Sukesh Pujari. These all are hailing from Usgaon Tisk. The modus operandi is that these agents were contacting the truck drivers and they were hatching the criminal conspiracy along with the owner of the plot called Rajesh Desai, Phal Desai. This Rajesh Phal Desai used to buy these minerals from these agents and used to pay 17,000 to 25,000 per trip. So we have successfully in recovering the misappropriated goods, and so far in this we also attached one Alto car which was escorting the truck drivers' trucks from loading point up to the unloading point at Kotambi.
Our reporter from Kure, Mayur Naik.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.